What if I told you that you could generate not just one, but multiple Seedance 2.5 AI videos at the same time, for free right from your Chrome browser? But before we jump in, go watch my How to Use Dola AI video first, the link in I button. It'll make everything in this video click a lot easier. So let's get started. Once you're on the home page, look for the prompt box. That's where all the magic happens. Right next to it, you'll spot a mode selector set to fast. Go ahead and switch that over to Pro mode. Next up, click on Skills. This pops open a whole list of stuff Dola AI can do. Image generation, writing, you name it. But what we want here is generate videos, so go ahead and pick that. Now, if you're trying to crank out multiple videos at once, just right-click the tab and duplicate the same page. Do that for as many videos as you want to make at the same time. I usually keep 3 to 4 tabs going myself. Okay, in your first tab, paste your video prompt into the box and hit send. Dola AI also refines your prompt before generating anything. It cleans up vague wording, shows you the improved version, and waits for your confirmation before starting. This helps avoid mistakes caused by unclear instructions. Once it shows you the refined version, just type yes to confirm. Boom! Dola AI kicks off your video right away. Give it a few minutes and it'll be ready to go. To grab it, just hit the save button and it'll drop straight onto your device. Easy as that. Now, remember those extra tabs we opened earlier? Head back to each one and run through the exact same steps. Switch to Pro mode, pick Generate Videos, paste your next prompt, hit send, and confirm with yes. Do that for every tab you've got open. In just a few minutes, all your videos are ready, generated in parallel at the same time. And that's the full workflow for generating unlimited Seedance 2.5 AI videos at once using Dola AI, completely free. If this saved your time, drop a like and subscribe for more AI tool tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.